Hey folks, Kurt here with another quick video for you on open houses. Should you have your agent attend open houses with you? And again, the answer is, it depends. Are you out looking at open houses just to kill some time on a Saturday afternoon? Or are you looking for new decorating ideas? You just want to see what the neighbor's house looks like and what it's selling for? Or are you serious about buying a house? If you're serious about buying a house, your agent should absolutely be with you, just like your agent should be with you if you're out looking at homes and they're showing you homes. You want the agent's input. The agent's going to look at the home differently than you are because the agent has no emotion involved. The agent is looking at deficiencies in the home, obsolescence that might be an issue down the road, things that you're probably going to glaze right over because you're there just looking at the home for 10 or 15 minutes. So by all means, have your agent go with you. If your agent won't attend, call me. I'll meet you there. But bottom line, have your agent there if you're serious about buying a home.